When it comes to SUVs, expensive doesn't necessarily correspond to quality. So, what if I told you that for less than 15k bucks, you can get one of the best compact SUVs money can buy? Best of all, I have done the dirty work for you and made a list of the 7 best used compact SUVs under 15k dollars in 2024 to 2025. That means all you have to do is buckle up and watch this short video till the end so you can find the model that best aligns with your preferences. Number 1. 2013 Honda CR-V. The original MSRP of the 2013 Honda CR-V ranges from $22,795 to $30,295. However, for just $10,722 to $12,066, you can get a well-maintained pre-owned Honda CR-V for the 2013 model year. The CR-V is one of the best compact SUVs thanks to its car-like ride and impressive safety performance. Also, if you watched our previous video, you find that the Honda CR-V is one of the most reliable SUVs. That means a used 2013 CR-V is not just more affordable than its brand new counterpart, but also can save you a few bucks on repairs and maintenance. As for performance, a 185 horsepower engine sits beneath the hood of this compact SUV and works with both front wheel and all-wheel drive. Additionally, the 2013 Honda CR-V nets impressive fuel economy ratings of 22 to 23 mpg in the city and 30 to 31 mpg on the highway. Number 2. 2011 Subaru Forester. The original MSRP of the 2011 Subaru Forester ranges from $20,495 to $29,995, while the average price paid for a used model varies from $6,210 to just over $9,000. Like the 2013 Honda CR-V, the 2011 Forester has a handsomely sized interior which melts with ample cargo space to make adventures a no-brainer. Besides, Subaru is known for its trademark symmetrical all-wheel drive. That said, the 2011 Forester comes standard with AWD to tackle unprecedented road conditions with confidence. When it comes to performance, an engine that generates between 170 and 224 horsepower motivates this bad boy. And as far as fuel economy goes, the 2011 Subaru Forester registers 19 to 21 mpg in the city and 24 to 27 mpg on the highway. Number 3. 2017 Mazda CX-5. Did you know that the 2017 Mazda CX-5 ranks number 1 out of 18 in 2017 affordable compact SUVs? Its original MSRP runs from $24,045 to $30,695 depending on options and trim level. However, these figures shrink dramatically for a used 2017 CX-5 whose average price paid ranges from $14,400 to $17,152. The 2017 Mazda CX-5 is loved for its near-luxury cabin, fantastic handling, and smooth ride. Plus, if you watched our previous video, you find that this compact SUV is listed as one of the most reliable and affordable cars. Also, I believe that the 187 HP engine is good enough to take you places without any issues. The engine works with both FWD and AWD for maximum convenience. In addition, the Mazda CX-5 2017 boasts impressive fuel economy ratings of 23 to 24 mpg in the city and 29 to 31 mpg on the highway. Number 4. 2009 Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the most reliable yet affordable compact SUVs of all time. That means buying a used model in 2025 will be one of the best financial decisions you ever make. But first things first, and that is to compare the original MSRP with the average price paid for a pre-owned 2009 RAV4. Needless to say, the original MSRP ranges from $21,500 to $27,810, while the average price paid for a used model ranges from $4,313 to $8,369. So for under $10K, expect to get a used 2009 RAV4 in good condition. Beneath the hood of this compact SUV is a reliable engine that delivers between 179 and 269 horsepower. As for fuel economy, the 2009 Toyota RAV4 registers 19 to 22 mpg in the city and 26 to 28 mpg on the highway. Number 5. 2016 Hyundai Tucson. The 2016 Hyundai Tucson ranks number 1 out of 16 in 2016 affordable compact SUVs. Its original MSRP is $22,700 to $31,300, while the average price paid for a used model ranges from $10,636 to $13,372. Previous owners of this compact SUV have praised it for its abundance of safety features and superb reliability ratings. Moreover, the 2016 model year is fully redesigned, making it a stunning purchase for those craving change. It comes with a hearty turbocharged engine which generates between 164 and 175 horsepower, plus the engine works with both front wheel and all-wheel drive. Number 6. 2017 Ford Escape. The average price paid for a pre-owned 2017 Ford Escape ranges from $11,766 to $14,201. This is splendid given that the original MSRP starts at $23,750 and moves to $31,000. Besides, the 2017 model year saw a lot of updates and improvements, including updated interior and exterior styling. The 2017 Ford Escape is also loved for its agile handling, plenty of cargo space, and lots of intuitive tech features. Its engine is good as well and kicks out 168 to 245 horsepower, not to mention working with four-wheel and front-wheel drive. As for fuel economy, this compact 5-passenger SUV registers 20 to 23 mpg in the city and 27 to 30 mpg on the highway. A quick one. If you are finding value so far, be sure to show that subscribe button some love so you can always be the first to know when videos like this are out. Number 7. 2017 Kia Sportage. The 2017 Kia Sportage is ranked first out of 18 in 2017 affordable compact SUVs. Its original MSRP is $23,200 to $34,200, while the average price paid for a used 2017 Sportage ranges from $12,196 to $14,538. Another reason to buy the 2017 Sportage SUV is that it is a completely redesigned version of its predecessor and has a quiet premium cabin. Also, previous owners have praised it for its impeccable balance of sporty handling and ride comfort. The engine is decent too and produces between 181 and 240 horsepower, not to mention working with AWD and FWD. Furthermore, the 2017 Kia Sportage nets 20 to 23 mpg in the city and 23 to 30 mpg on the highway. Which used compact SUV do you think deserves a spot in this list yet wasn't included? Let me know in the comment section down below so I can include it in the next episode. Also, be sure to watch the video on the top left side of your screen. It is related to this since it talks about the most reliable and affordable SUVs you can buy in 2024/2025.